Unlocking the Past, the Art of Reminiscing. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and nostalgic phrase, to reminisce about. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you express fond memories and past experiences with more depth and emotion. Let's dive into the heartwarming world of reminiscing together. To start off, to reminisce about means to recall, think about, or talk about past experiences or events, usually with pleasure and nostalgia. Reminiscing is all about looking back on the good times, those moments that bring a smile to your face when you think about them. It's a universal experience, something that connects people across cultures and languages. Reminiscing is more than just remembering. It involves a sentimental yearning for the happiness of a former place or time. When people reminisce, they often share stories, laugh about old jokes, and maybe even shed a tear for times gone by. It's an emotional journey that highlights the human capacity for memory and feelings. Let's put our phrase into action. Here are a few examples to illustrate how you can use to reminisce about in sentences. During the family reunion, we reminisced about the summers we spent at the lake house. I love reminiscing about our college days. We had so much fun back then. She reminisced about the concerts she attended in her youth, recalling every detail with a smile. Notice how these sentences not only talk about remembering the past but also convey a sense of warmth and affection for those memories. Reminiscing has a special place in human interaction and storytelling. It helps us connect with others by sharing parts of our lives that were meaningful. It also serves as a bridge between generations, allowing older people to pass on their stories and wisdom to the younger ones. Moreover, reminiscing can be a source of comfort, helping us feel less alone in our experiences. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of what it means to reminisce about, and how you can use this phrase to enrich your conversations and writing. Remember, reminiscing isn't just about looking back. It's about bringing the joy of the past into the present. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you. Keep learning, keep sharing, and keep reminiscing about the beautiful moments in your life.